Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video I'm going to be organising my fridge. After buying some storage tubs and storage solutions for my fridge and my whole house, I just thought it was time to do this. So if this gives you any motivation whatsoever, then please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So I'm going to start off by taking everything out of the fridge, just checking that everything is in date, nothing's gone off, and if it has, I'm going to throw it all away. Even though we fight sometimes and it feels like I'm also going to be taking out all the little compartments, giving them a real good clean. I just want everything sanitized and clean, ready to go back in so I can put fresh food back in these. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the door. Baby, pull me closer now. So just a little trick for you guys, I am using a toothbrush just to get in all those crevices. We have spillages, we have crumbs that fall down, and sometimes just using that cloth just doesn't work. So I use a toothbrush and this really does work. So try it guys. So time for some food prep. So I bought these containers from the pound shop, and these are going to be for my fresh fruit. Now normally in the morning I'll have fresh fruit with some breakfast. So I just thought, what a good idea, prep it so it's all ready. All I have to do is take it out of the fridge. It's all fresh, it's all washed, ready to go. Also, I thought it was a really good idea just to have as snacks, just so I go for that healthier option rather than crisps and chocolate and things like that. I can just go in the fridge if I get a little bit peckish and just reach for some nice healthy snacks instead. So I'm just going to put all my containers back and start prepping my fridge, putting all my food back in and just getting it all organised. How do you move on when everything is wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what you said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Oh, love you a little bit more. 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 Floating, weightless. So I bought these labels from the pound shop, however I wasn't happy with them. I think I'm going to go back and get the black ones. The grey ones just didn't stand out as much. This is it. This is all done now. I am so happy with the way this turned out. It looks so much more organised, so much neat and tidier. And also I know I'm going to be reaching for those healthier snacks now. So that was such a good idea to buy those containers. I really hope this video was helpful for you guys. Buy some containers, get your fridge organised and sort out those healthy snacks, because honestly this is going to make me eat so much healthier from now on. So if you did like my video today, you know what to do. Smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed already, come join my little family here, and I will see you all for my next video. Bye guys.